Hi guys, welcome to the Trends Trending. Guys, let's talk about Gog Maweni. This is Gog Maweni, guys. This is Gog Maweni. Gog Maweni recently posted these photos. Ali go Benin. Gog Maweni was in Benin, guys. Do you know what is Benin known for? Do you know? That's not a secret, actually. It's not sarcasm. It's not secret. It's known like that. It's a capital city of witchcraft. Benin. Benin, it's called capital city of witchcraft. It's known like that. It's not a secret. So Gog Maweni was in Benin with a husband and they posted photos like that. They posted with snakes. They posted with dolls. They posted with all sort of things, guys. All sort of things that are scary, actually. Things in Benin, they will scare you. It's not for the first time that I see these things, actually. This was a favorite destination, Yaga Gog Manzini. I hope you guys still remember Gog Manzini. It's too early to forget forget the ever controversial Gog Manzini. Gog Manzini used to go to Benin now and then. And one thing about Gog Manzini was not even shy to talk about each and everything that happens in Benin. Gog Manzini was not even shy to talk about everything that she used to post. This one is to do this one is to kill this one is to bewitch this one we mix with this one if we want this what to happen to you. Hey guys, so Gog Maweni went there. But the thing that caught my eye the most is those two dolls that they tied together. There's two dolls you will see them on the slide there. They tied them together. So it's like if maybe you want to tie your wife to you, or if you want to tie your husband to you, they will arrange something like that, prepare it and everything, and tie together so that a relationship inga break it down. So this is what these people are doing. This is what it's not a gossip. It's not talking bad about people. This is what people are proud to be doing. This is their bread and butter. This is what put food on their table. So now we just talk about them, whatever that we see, And the snakes, guys, it's just so busy. Yazi go busy. Go busy. Whoo! Hi, it's too much. It's too much, guys. It's too much. But what Gog Manzini used to show us was too much. Yeah. There was a time that Gog Manzini showed us the new house. Remember, she bought a new house in Sandton and she showed us the backyard. Yo, guys. That picture that I saw, it doesn't leave my mind. It was calabashes. It was chickens on the floor, dead chickens. It was blood inside the calabashes. Guys, it was hectic, man. Yo, guys, this kind of life, it's really hectic. This kind of life is absolutely hectic. It wants somebody who's really called for it and who's really dedicated to it, because it's not for the faint-hearted. Yo, guys. So guys, the only thing that made me to actually post this is because everything reminded of Gog Manzini. I used to watch Gog Manzini's things and I was like, oh no, this is too much. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's meet on the other video. Bye.